Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will create a cool looking mask transition in Filmora 12.5. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. First drop first footage on track 1, then place the playhead at a point where you want to start the transition and place the second footage on that point on track 2. Then split at the end of the transition and place the rest of the footage on track 1. Then go to the mask and select pen tool, zoom in on the preview screen and create a mask around the portion which you want to use as a transition. Add bit of smoothness to the edges, then duplicate the transition footage on track 3 and after 10 to 15 frames shrink the track 2 footage. Go to the basic on position keyframe and slide it down. After few frames, reset the position. Fit the preview screen. This is how it looks. Then place the playhead at the start of the track 3 footage and increase the scale so that it move out of the frame. Then after 10 to 15 frames, reset the scale, reset the position. So here's our first transition. Then further to change the car color, split the footage after 10 to 15 frames, go to the effects and apply colorize by new blue FX on first split part. Then go to the effect setting, change first color to blue and rest of the two colors to any color of your choice. Then adjust the smoothing and saturation. Use same process to change car color on further split footage. Now place the playhead at the start point of the transition and place the third footage on the playhead position. Use the same technique to mask the portion which you want to use as a transition. Duplicate the footage on track 3 and set the start point for track 2 footage and create keyframe. Then create keyframe for scale and position for track 3 footage. Now to create a headlight, place the playhead at a suitable position and place the PNG headlight on playhead point. Then adjust the scale and place the headlight at its position on transform keyframe. Then after 10 to 15 frame, add transform keyframe. Go back to the start point and increase the scale and adjust the position. Now place the playhead at the end and adjust the scale and position according to the main footage movement. Then go to the color and decrease the exposure, contrast, highlight, shadow and black on keyframe. Then after one frame, reset the light keyframe and increase the exposure and brightness. So this is how you can add a fake headlight. Then duplicate it on track 3 and change the position of the light on the right side headlight. Adjust the light position on every keyframe. Now place the playhead at the light start keyframe and drop the police light JPG on track 4. Change blend mode to screen and adjust the light position and scale and on transform keyframe. Then at the end of the police light JPG, adjust the scale and position. Then split it after every 5 frames. Select first split part, go to the mask and select linear mask to hide one side of the light. Use same process to create police flashing light effect. Split the image in between to create variation. So now we have a flashing police light. Add final footage and split the unwanted footage and delete them. Create mask around the car, duplicate it, then adjust the background clip start point and then select the car footage and slide it down and after 10 to 15 frames reset the position and invert the mask and create opacity keyframe for the background footage. Further, you can add lens flare effect to make it more cinematic and attractive. Also, you can use different effects and LUTs. Then apply cinematic bar and create a keyframe at the start to create a black bar opening effect. Now let's render it to see the preview.
Code 3 Rashad. Shots fired 147 Maple Street.
That's it. This is how you can create a mask transition in Filmora. You can download the project file for free from patreon.com. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.
Code 3 Rashad. Shots fired 147 Maple Street.